So hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Amesie's Corner. How are you all doing out there? So in one of my last videos, we went and took a look at that crazy, amazing, custom stainless steel Scout. And just an awesome piece of industrial arts that someone just made. And that was because those trucks just didn't last up here. They rotted out. They rotted out everywhere, I guess. But the motors were great. The frames and running gear are all top notch, but just the bodies, the sheet metal of the bodies just didn't last. So we saw what one person did with one, and it looks like I was out in a road test and I came across another one, and that would be this one right here. So yeah, I think we're gonna see both sides of the coin on this one. We saw probably the best looking thing you can do to a Scout, and I think we're about to look at one of the worst things you can do to a Scout. But I want to apologize in advance. It's I don't know if you can see all the leaves skating around and all the trees blowing. It's really windy out there. We're just having a hell of a spring this year. It's like you know, winter is going to give spring and summer a miss and go directly on to fall. That's what I think's going on. But yeah, there's a lot of wind out there, so I apologize for any wind noise. All right, let's go take a look. Look at this, huh? I would say this is a little older than the other one. But I saw this and I wasn't sure exactly what we had going on here. I'd say we absolutely have the other end of the coin on this one. 68 Scout, 1500 or best offer. I bet you she runs and goes like a tank though. Hey, there's that front bumper we saw on the other one. I guess that answers the question of whether they used the Scout bumper on that crazy, amazing aluminum stainless steel one. But yeah, you can see this is the typical condition you're gonna find one of these up here, unless it's been garaged its whole life. You know, definitely not the same repair jobs done. Patches rotting off on top of patches. What they make the thing out of old sheet metal from the rear. Oh, she's leaking a little bit of oil. Look at this, huh? Look at the repair. I can't get over the plywood in the back and in the wood. Look at this frame, what do they call it? Fish plates on the frame. Yeah, I'd say this one definitely isn't quite the truck that other one we saw last video was. Again, apologize for the wind noise. There's not a whole lot I can do about it right now. This being a very impromptu video. Oh, this frame is just cheese. Look at it. That cross member where the shocks are mounted, Swiss cheese. But yeah, this is about what we find them around here. Oh God, I think I just did something I'm not going to be able to undo. And all I did is open the door. What'd you do? Well, different dash. Definitely different from the other one. Scout 800. Now, so there's your problem. Oh God, oh God. I think that door being closed is the only thing holding it together. I don't know if we should open the hood. Open the hood, is it gonna fall off? Oh, bear with me, guys. Oh, we got it. Looks like pretty much the same engine as the other one. V8. I actually honestly expected this thing to have a 4-cylinder. Maybe that's what the 800 means. Maybe the 800 means it's an 8-cylinder. Look at the anti-mouse intrusion screens. That's to keep the wildlife out. Keep the critters from getting into your airbox. Hydraulic pump motor. Oh man, look at that inner fender. Boy, there ain't much holding this one together. And for the low price of $1,500, you too can drive this thing off the lot. No down payment. Easy financing. No credit application denied. You know, at one time, this was somebody's baby. What's up, guys? Just looking at the truck. Just looking at the truck. Don't mind me. I see you. I hear you. Are you guys telling me not to buy it? Yeah? You telling me not to buy it? Why shouldn't I buy it? What's wrong with it? You guys know something I don't? No? What? What? What's wrong with the truck? Yeah? Rust? Rust, 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 rust. Rust, 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 rust. That's what he's saying. Rust, 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 rust. Oh. Actually, the plow, you know, if you factor in the price of what these plows go for, what, you get $500 or $600 for a plow in good condition. The plow looks great. The plow actually looks like the diamond in the rough on this rough one. It's got LED lights, bro. It's got LED lights. That makes it worth it. All right, guys, I got to get back to the shop. I got to get this car. I just put the whole front end on this thing, another crash repair. Nah, we're just balls to the walls at the shop right now this time of year, or every time of year. We never have a slow day at the shop. All right, guys. How's it going?
Good.
Looks like she's seen some snow in her day.
Yeah. I've had this thing for about 35 years.
30, no kidding,
Yeah.
no kidding. Yeah, just see a few of them around nowadays, and it seems like this is the condition of them.
Yeah.
The underneath of them runs forever and lasts forever, and you know, they just, the weather gets to them.
Yeah, this got a big V8 in it.
Yeah, I saw that.
These are rare, the Scout.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Especially with the 8, it runs good. I got to pull it back because it won't start when it's warm. It's done that for quite a few years now, so I got to find out why. It starts right up when it's cold. I just put a new blade on it.
Yeah, I see that.
Good four-way
cutting edge on it. I was saying the plow's the best part of the truck.
Yeah.
You see that one the guy had over on 121 there, the stainless steel one?
No.
The guy had the same truck, made a whole custom body for it.
Oh, wow.
It's actually in the parking lot of Donahue Seafood.
Okay, I'll have to check that out.
Yeah, it's the same truck, but
Yeah.
the guy made a complete stainless steel body, handmade a stainless steel body for it. And, you know, he worked at a truck place, and he made it like a semi-truck.
Yeah.
It's just the coolest little truck,
I had
based on the same
flame
one.
on this.
Yeah.
I had that all redone a few years ago. A couple weld spots. This is a good restoration project or somebody.
Yeah, yeah. The frames are all you know. The frames do what they do, and the running gear runs forever.
Yeah. It's freaking bulletproof. I just bought a new Kubota, so.
Oh yeah. Now you're really moving the snow. Well, all right, man. Good luck.
Hey, thanks, man.
No problem. And we got a little more of the story. Well, anyways, guys, like I was saying, I got to get back to work. Thanks for watching. Comments and thumbs up, much appreciated down below. On that note, and until next time, keep it out of the cabbage.